Regardless of your reasons for using an at-home drug test, be it for yourself or for a child, spouse, or other loved one, it's worth taking this time to mention that there are a number of treatment options available and counseling services out there to help both a drug user or abuser and the people that he or she affects. If you're using this test for yourself to determine whether or not you're going to be able to pass a test for employment or law enforcement, it's a good sign that the fact that you couldn't stop using your drug or drugs of choice in order to properly clear that test, like I say, that's a good sign that you possibly have a problem yourself. Or if you really truly suspect a child, spouse, or other loved one of using drugs, it would be wise to go ahead and proceed with some form of counseling or treatment. A positive result would make this reason only stronger. I think anytime there's an issue of conflict in a family, be it drug-related or otherwise, counseling is a wise and viable choice for all involved.